Hey guys, John here with EZLYNK. We're here to talk to you about one of our new connectors. It's the RP-1226. It's going to connect to your heavy duty trucks. It's going to be used for ELD. Right now we're working on a 2025 Peterbilt. It's a 567, and we're going to show you where to connect this RP-1226 on this truck, show you how to get the AutoAgent hooked up, and then we'll show you how to run through a data log as well. Okay, we're here in the truck. Got this side of our RP-1226 connector. On this particular model, it's located up under this panel. It's going to have a dummy plug with a safety pin. So we're going to pull that safety pin, pull out the dummy plug. Going to go ahead and plug in that RP-1226 connector. Okay, so once we've got that connected, there's a couple different things we can do. If you're going to connect this with Wi-Fi, you could plug this in and stow it up there somewhere so that it's out of sight. What I'm going to do, since I typically like to connect with USB, I'm going to go ahead and put this panel back on, leaving the RP-1226 adapter there. And then that way I've got my OBD right here. I can go ahead and connect to that. And then I'm going to connect my USB. Then I'll connect that to my phone. So there's a couple of ways you can connect the RP-1226, but this allows you to connect to the necessary port for ELD. Thanks for stopping by. Check us out soon for more features.